Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is find the ideal type of Suzy. Finding your ideal type seems to be becoming more popular through fortune analysis. This time, Suzy's request to find her ideal type came in. When I was asked to find Kim Yoo-jung's ideal type, I received Lilla Kim's request after Kim Yoo-jung in advance. But she gave me a list this time. Thank you, Lilla Kim, for filling out the list for Find Suzy's ideal type. I would like to inform you that this analysis is limited to 8 people and has nothing to do with the actual facts. It's just a fortune analysis. The 8 people in the picture will play a game and pick the final winner. Then can you join the game? Before we play the game, let's briefly analyze Suzy's fortune. Suzy is in alliance with the letters then mean man. It has input energy, so it has excellent ability to accept knowledge and gather information. She has the same energy as herself. Therefore, Suzy's fortune can be analyzed with a special structure in which all energy converges to herself. It can be analyzed that the art and wealth energy that are not in the fortune are as good as they are. It's a structure that has almost no shortage. However, there is no matter or water energy among the energy needed for the fortune. Therefore, we will set the standard of the game as a person who has matter and water energy that Suzy doesn't have, and the person who is comfortable and sure of a woman's energy. The men on Lilla Kim's list are 송강, 박보검, 김수현, 박서준, 남주혁, 차은우, 서강준, and 박형식. Then let's start the game. First, it's 송강 and 박보검, but 송강 has only earthen and wooden energy. He has no female energy because he is specialized. 박보검 is allied with women and has the energy to be nice to women. There is also matter energy and water energy. The first round is 박보검's victory. It's 박보검's. Let's move on to the next round. Kim Soo-hyun is very sure of woman's energy. He will meet a very smart woman, but he doesn't have the energy to be nice to women. There is matter energy, but there is no water energy. Park Seo-jun has the energy of a woman, but the energy of being nice to her is coming from a very far away. There is water, but there is no matter. Park Seo-jun will win by a narrow margin. The second match went to Park Seo-jun's victory. The next match is between Nam Ju-hyuk and Cha Eun-woo. Nam Ju-hyuk's fortune is neat and good, but there is no matter or water at all. It's a good fortune, but it doesn't fit Suzy. Cha Eun-woo is sure to have a woman's energy, and he is nice to her. There is also matter energy and water energy. The third match is Cha Eun-woo's victory. Cha Eun-woo won. Let's move on to the next round. It's a battle between 서강준 and Park Hyung-sik. 서강준's fortune is special. It is a special structure in which all energy converges into its own energy. It can be interpreted that there is no female energy and there is a lot of water and matter energy. Park Hyung-sik is a good structure with a clear female energy and the letter meaning a woman in his spouse's position, and there is matter and water energy. The two of you have such a good fortune structure that it's hard to tell the difference. But Seo Gang-jun, who has a special structure like Suzy, will be the winner. It is because it has something in common that it is the same special structure and it is good to supplement the energy that is missing. The last match ended with Seo Gang-jun's victory. Then next, Park Bo-gum and Park Seo-jun will have a showdown between Cha Eun-woo and Seo Gang-jun. Lastly, let's decide the final winner with each winner. Park Bo-gum is allied with the letters that mean women. Like Suzy, he is in alliance with his spouse. And the matter and the water energy are certain. Park Seo-jun is sure to have a female energy, but it doesn't have a matter energy. Let's say Park Bo-gum wins. Cha Eun-woo is sure to have a woman's energy and he is nice to her. There is also water and matter energy. Seo Gang-jun is a special structure that can be interpreted as being present even if there is no particular letter meaning a woman. The water is strong and the matter is strong. It's hard to tell the difference. However, Seo Gang-jun, who has something in common because he has the same special structure, will be the winner. It's finally the last round. It's a battle between Park Bo-gum and Seo Gang-jun. The two have similar strengths, so it's hard to tell the difference. Park Bo-gum's meaningful letters are strong, and he's in alliance with letters that mean women. He also has the energy to be nice to women. There is also matter energy and water energy. The conditions are very good. Seo Gang-jun does not have letters that mean women, but it is a special structure that can be interpreted as being present. The water is strong and the matter is strong. It's really hard to decide the winner. However, since Suzy is a special structure, I would like to pick Seo Gang-jun as the final winner. If other conditions are right, people with special fortune have a very special way of thinking. Therefore, it seems that you two have a lot of connections. After 7 matches, Seo Gang-jun became the final winner. It was a very difficult game to determine the outcome. However, all 8 of you who participated in the game had a very, very good fortune structure to be active as entertainers. I hope you succeed in everything you do in the future and be happier. Thank you. Thank you, Lila Kim. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.